Health insurance. It's something most people don't think about until they need it. But by then, it's often too late. A single accident, an unexpected illness, or a major medical emergency can leave you drowning in debt. Today, I'm going to show you why you need to rethink your health insurance now, before life forces you to. Imagine this. You're out for a morning run, feeling great. Then, boom, you trip, fall, and snap your ankle. You're rushed to the ER where they tell you that you need surgery. The hospital bill? $40,000. But you don't have insurance. Now what? You're stuck with a choice. Put it on a credit card and rack up interest. Drain your savings and hope nothing else goes wrong. Ignore the bill and risk it going to collections, ruining your credit. This isn't just a random scenario. It happens every single day. Medical debt is the #1 cause of bankruptcy in the US. And it's not just from accidents. You feel fine today, but what if you wake up tomorrow with chest pain? What if you're diagnosed with cancer? What if a simple infection turns serious? Without insurance, the cost of chemotherapy, heart surgery, or even a long hospital stay could wipe out everything you've worked for. Maybe you already have insurance and think you're safe. But here's the problem. Many people don't realize their plan is full of gaps until they need it. High deductibles. You have insurance, but your deductible is $8,000 before coverage kicks in. Can you afford that? Limited networks. The hospital you go to isn't in your plan, so you're hit with out-of-network fees that skyrocket your bill. Hidden exclusions. You assumed something was covered, like prescription drugs or mental health care, only to find out too late that it's not. That's why it's not enough to just have insurance. You need the right insurance. A lot of people think, I'm young, I'm healthy, I'll get insurance later. But here's the problem. You can't predict an accident. You can't predict a serious diagnosis. And when you finally do need coverage, you might not qualify for the plan you want. Many insurance plans have waiting periods before benefits kick in. That means if you get sick right after signing up, you might not be covered. By the time you need insurance, it's often too late to get the best plan. If you're uninsured or unsure about your coverage, the best time to act is today. Here's what you need to do. Review your current plan. Check for deductibles, networks, and what's actually covered. Compare your options. Don't settle for the cheapest plan. Find one that protects you from real financial risk. Think long-term. Your health is your greatest asset. Protect it with the right coverage now, not later. At ThriveXDNA.com, we help people make smart health and financial decisions. We provide the tools and resources you need to understand your options, choose the best plan, and secure your future. Medical expenses don't just affect your bank account. They affect your freedom, your future, and your ability to live life on your terms. The right health insurance isn't just a safety net, it's a financial strategy. It's about staying prepared, staying protected, and staying in control. So ask yourself, do you know what your insurance really covers? Could you afford a major medical emergency? Are you taking the right steps today to protect your future? If you're ready to take control of your health and financial security, visit ThriveXDNA.com for expert guidance. If this video helped you think differently about your coverage, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Stay smart, stay protected, and I'll see you next time.